Alright, so I got this can. I mean, not can, water. Little salsa bottle, but filled up with water. That was a lot of water. I forget that was glass. A little bit came back. It was still filled up too. That's cool. I guess I'll shoot this part back a little bit. Put that in 0.5. Yeah. Take another shot. I think I probably hit the water bottle, the jug, which is okay. Okay. Oh, it's been destroyed. I'll just hit in the bag. There's nothing in the bag anyways. But yeah, this part got messed up pretty bad. Did I hit this? Oh, I did a little bit. It's okay. I got my guns wet a little bit. Definitely gotta move those. Yeah. I got my revolver. Did it go through? No, it didn't. That's weird. Surprised it didn't go through. Try the top part. Okay, it did go in. I don't know why it's leaking more. Yeah, it's not even doing nothing. I wonder what would happen if I do a point blank. Didn't even go through at all. I thought I was looking at the top, but that's pretty much it.